Hello and welcome to irunbelle. My name is Tope, and in this video I'll be showing how to do twist for beginners and how to do mini twist on 4C natural hair. I started out on freshly washed, moisturized, damp natural hair. So I washed my hair a few hours before, I moisturized it and kept it in large twists to keep in the moisture. I like to twist on damp hair because it makes the twist look very juicy. If you want to avoid shrinkage, you should consider twisting on dry hair and add minimal products as you twist your natural hair. I don't mind the shrinkage from twisting on damp hair, so that's what I did and that's what I always do. Twist beginners in the house, pay attention now. To make a 2-strand twist on your natural hair, start by dividing your section into 2 equal parts. It's important. If your parts are not equal, you most likely have to borrow from the larger half, and that would result in tangles when you're taking down your twist. If you want your twist to truly be a protective style, please do not borrow hair from one strand to make your twist the same width. To start your twist, hold the 2 sections and roll them between your thumb and index finger. Then put one section over the other. What you want to do is to always roll each section while it's in each hand before crossing it over. If you just cross each section over without rolling them in each hand, what you have is some other results that is loose and that is not twist. Please pay attention to the direction in which I am rolling my natural hair. That's what you want to do. Feel free to rewind this part as you try to twist your own natural hair. So again, you want to make sure to always roll each section of twist in each hand, and you want to do so continuously till you are near the end of your natural hair. The more familiar you get twisting your natural hair, the faster you'll become. Also, twisting in each hand will become second nature to you, that it appears as though you're not doing that step even though you're actually doing it. So just keep practicing and I'm sure you get it and your twist will look lovely and juicy. If you've been enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up now. It helps this video and my channel to do better and it encourages me. Also, if you are not subscribed, I'm inviting you specially to join my community. So subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Here on irunbelle, I share videos about natural hair care, natural hairstyles, hair DIYs, and sometimes I share snippets of my lifestyle. So join me and my lovely community on this journey. When you're about an inch from the end of your hair, stop twisting and roll the 2 sections together between your thumb and index finger. That's how to finish your twist on your natural hair. It's mini twist time! The perimeter of my large twist had started drying by this point. I recommend you start twisting from the side that you moisturize first so that you maximize your hair's dampness. When it comes to parting your natural hair, you can use a comb or use your fingers to create your mini twists. If you'll be using a comb, one hack to make your twisting faster is to use the comb for your main parts while you use your fingers for each twist section on the main part. To make your mini twist neat at the root, hold your roots taut but not too tight so as to cause tension on your scalp. Twist the roots firmly and you can then loosen your grip as you twist the length of your natural hair. I used my fingers to part my natural hair to create my mini twist. Altogether, I had 66 mini twists on my natural hair. Yes, I counted because I know some people might be interested in how many twists I had on my hair. Altogether, it took me less than 2 hours. I'm not exactly sure how many hours or how many minutes it took me because I kind of dabbled while I was making my mini twist. I watched movies, I also had to set up to film, and yeah. I know some people don't like mini twists and twist as a protective style generally because of shrinkage and the tendency for some people to have nothing on their natural hair. In the next few weeks, I'll be sharing how to maintain your mini twist, how to style your natural hair in mini twist, how to wash your natural hair in large and small twist. All the more reason to subscribe and turn on the notification bell if these videos interest you. I'd like to know what table my irunbelle fams sit on. Are you team I love twist all the way, team I'm trying to love twist, or team no thanks? I love twists a whole lot, like a whole lot, and I can do them in my sleep. Let me know what team you're on in the comment section. Just look at that length and watch natural hair magic happen as it shrinks. If you look at the other twists I made, when I twisted them they were nice and long, but now they are shrinking up nicely. Give it up for my 66-minute twist. Okay, so this is me showing how I twist my natural hair in real time. At the root, I try to be firm with my natural hair, try to make it tightly, and then as I progress through the length of my hair, I tend to make it loose, or depending on how I just want it to feel. This is me also showing how fast I am in twisting my natural hair. I don't know why I'm looking so serious, but yeah. Also, if you look at my parts, I finger parted my natural hair and I think they're looking good. By the time I put on my mini twist, the roots will not be showing as much, and I think it's okay. It's much faster when you use your fingers to part your natural hair to create your mini twist. Did someone say juice? Did someone say juicy, yummy, bouncy mini twist? Okay, so this is how my mini twist ended up looking on my 4C natural hair. I love it. I'll be having this in for 4 weeks, and yeah, people are gonna hear it. They're going to hear it with this hair, like okay, that's it from me. See you again next week. Don't forget to like this video. Bye.